Protests against COVID-19 mandates in Canada have entered the second week, and in the last 14 days, the Canada Truckers' protest has only grown in size and strength. The demonstrations, which began as a peaceful protest against coronavirus mandate in Ottawa, has now turned into a rallying point against public health measures and Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's government. The protesters again poured into Canada's capital on Saturday, joining a convoy of truckers waving Canadian flags and anti-government placards. Now, the demonstrators staged the protest outside Parliament. Similar protests also took place in various other parts of Canada. Hundreds of demonstrators rallied around Toronto's downtown core, near the site of the planned trucker convoy demonstrations. Many in Queen's Park surrounded the King Edward statue, Canadian flags, and holding signs saying vaccine mandates should be ended.
I support the truckers because they're standing up for freedom. Our Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms has been violated in many, many ways. We're not allowed to cross the border. We're not allowed to go on planes or trains. We've been fired from jobs. And these are all rights that we have as Canadians, and we need them back immediately.
Meanwhile, expressing concern, Toronto officials have said that they are hoping to avoid the kind of blockade that is being seen in Ottawa, where demonstrators in trucks have occupied key areas of the capital. Not only Toronto, but a convoy of truck drivers protesting against vaccine mandates also descended on Quebec City. Protesters who are a part of Freedom Truck Convoy are protesting the new rule that went into effect on the 15th of January and requires truckers entering Canada to be fully vaccinated against the coronavirus.
A bunch of people speaking for freedom. We had enough of all those mandates that has no sense, no scientific evidence. Mr. Trudeau and Mr. Legault will have to understand at some point that the people are fed up. They will no longer be complying to all those measures that are making nonsense.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.